question that petroleum is separated into different fractions by fractional distillation. Describe how the temperature varies in the distillation column. So we have studied that at the bottom, temperature is very high, temperature is high at the bottom, and it is low at the top. Okay, so this is the question and this is the answer. Write it down. These type of questions come up in your exam. Good evening, Tino.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening. How are you?
I'm fine, and how are you?
I'm good too. So this is the question we are discussing, that petroleum is separated into different fractions by fractionating column. Describe how the temperature varies in the distillation column. So this is the question of 1 mark. Okay, so you know the distillation column, temperature is hot at the bottom and it is cold at the top. So temperature is high at the bottom and at low at the top. So you should write one line in this answer and you will get 1 mark. So write it down.
Sorry, ma'am. Sorry.
No problem.
Oh, okay. Thank you, ma'am.
Teacher, I'm done writing the question.
Okay. And then answer also. Okay. So next question and answer. Question number 1 says, explain in terms of the molecular size and boiling points how rapidly the different hydrocarbons rise up the fractionating column. So I hope you remember that hydrocarbons with longer chains, they have higher boiling point and they move up the column slowly. And hydrocarbons with shorter chains have lower boiling point, that's why they move more rapidly up the column. So this is a question of 4 marks, you have to write this. Question number 2, explain why the different columns come off at different parts of the column. Why? Because the molecules rise up the column until the temperature falls to just below its boiling range of fraction. This is the principle of fractionating distillation, right? So at this point, vapor condenses to a liquid. They come off at different places because they have different boiling points. Now give one use for each of these petroleum fractions. Naphtha, it is used for chemical feedstock. Kerosene, it is used for fuel, for jets. Lubricating oil, it is used for polishes. So these are some uses of these petroleum fractions. First is for naphtha, second is for kerosene, and third is for lubricating oil. Clear all the 3 questions? Any doubt?
Wait, ma'am. I didn't understand the second question.
Okay. Explain why the different fractions come off. Come off means separated. So why the different fractions separated at different parts of the column. Just see this diagram again. That at first point you can see that there is a separating column. That first fraction is separated at this point, second at this point, third at this point. We have lids which are open. So why it is this? What is the reason behind all these lids? So the reason is that molecules rise up the column from downwards where the crude oil is entered until the temperature falls to just below the boiling range of the fraction. Okay, whatever the boiling range is whatever the boiling range is that of the fraction. So whenever the temperature falls to just below its boiling point range, at this point, what happens when vapor condenses to a liquid? When vapor condenses to a liquid, when the boiling point falls below when the temperature falls below the boiling point of the fraction. So that's why they come off at different places. Why they come off at different places? Because one fraction is having lower boiling point, it comes fast. Other fraction is having higher boiling point, it comes a little bit later. So they have different boiling points. That's the principle of fractional distillation we are discussing. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
you write it down. Done, yeah. Okay, now next topic is the homologous series. What is a homologous series? It is a family of organic compounds, similar organic compounds which have similar chemical properties due to the presence of same functional group. What is a functional group? It is an atom or group of atoms that gives a compound its particular chemical properties. Okay, general formula, it can be written for each homologous series. For example, alkanes, it is a functional group whose general formula is CnH2n plus 2. Alkenes, whose general formula is CnH2n. What is N? N is the number of carbon atoms. The formula for alcohols is CnH2n plus 1 OH. For carboxylic acid, it is CnH2n plus 1 COOH. N is what? Number of carbon atoms in the hydrocarbon chain. Okay. Other characteristics of a homologous series are trends in physical properties. That means they show a gradual increase or decrease in their physical properties. There is gradual change. They are not similar. Physical properties are not similar. Chemical properties are similar. There is a difference in CH2 group between one member and the next. For example, if we talk about alkane, then the first member of alkane is, tell me, first member of alkane is,
Methane.
yes, it is methane. Its formula is CH4, right? Now, homologous series means when you add CH2 group in this unit, then you get C2H6. It is what? It is ethane, right? When you add CH2 group to this ethane, you get what? You get C3H8, which is your propane. So methane, ethane, propane, they are what? They are just your homologous series. Okay, they are similar compounds. There is only a difference of CH2 unit. What about chemical properties? Their chemical properties are also same. Why the chemical properties are same? Because they have same functional group. In this we have alkanes, so they have same functional group, so they have chemical properties which are same. Functional group like aldehyde, ketone, carboxylic acid, these are my functional group. Atom or group of atom which gives a compound its particular chemical property. General formula, that means it is applied for all the molecules all the compounds which are related to a particular homologous series. For alkane, it is CnH2n plus 2. If I ask you to write down the formula for butane, so what you have to do? You just have to put 4 in the place of N. As I already told you, that but means 4 carbon atoms. So C4 H2 into 4 plus 2. That means C4 H 4 into 2 is 8. 8 plus 2 is 10. C4 H10. After writing butane, tell me the formula of pentane.
Pentane is C5H12.
Yes, very good. Yeah, tell me the formula for hexane.
Teacher, repeat the question.
Tell me the formula for hexane. As Tino told me the formula of pentane, C5H12. So you have to tell me the formula of
Hexane
hexane.
is CH6.
Huh?
CH6.
No, see how CH6 can be possible? Carbon only have 4 bonds. Okay. The maximum valency of carbon is maximum or minimum. The valency of carbon is 4 only. So it can form only 4 bonds. CH4 only. Not CH5, not CH6. In hexane, what I am telling you, that general formula, see the general formula. What is the general formula? Repeat after me. CnH2n plus 2.
NH2 plus 2.
Now put the value of n as 6 in this formula and tell me the answer. Put the value of n as 6 because hex means 6 carbon atom.
P C2H6.
No, you have to put, for example, you have the formula CnH2n plus 2. Now I am saying that put the value of n as 6. So if you put the value of n as 6, it becomes C6H2 into 6 plus 2. So it becomes what? C6H 6 into 2 is 12 and 12 plus 2 is 14. So the formula of hexane is C6H14. Clear?
Yes.
Now tell me the formula for heptane.
C2H7.
Why C2? You have to put the value of n
Oh,
as 7.
C6.
7.
C6H7.
Put the value of n as 7 in this formula. Just put and solve it in your copy and then tell me. Don't give me random answers. Solve it in your copy. Write down the general formula CnH2n plus 2. Then put the value of n as 7 and then tell me the answer.
Hey students! Interested in boosting your studies? Enroll now at Keddy Edtech. We offer online tuition for the Cambridge curriculum, grades 6 to IGCSE, AS, and A-Level. Start learning with us today.
Do it in your copy and then tell me the answer for heptane. What you are getting?
Sorry, ma'am, the both of us or just Yaya?
Sorry, Tina, what are you saying?
I said the both of us or just Yaya?
Just Yaya. You know the answer. I'm asking about Yaya. No, it is not C6H16. I am saying put n is equal to 7. Then why C6? Put n is equal to 7 in heptane. C7H2 into 7 plus 2. In the meantime, Tino, write down the definition of homologous series functional group and the general form.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, yeah. What is the formula? General formula of heptane?
It's C7H14.
H 2 into 7 plus 2. What is 2
Which
into
is
7 plus
16.
Yes, it is 16. C7H16. Very good. Now tell me the formula for octane also. How many carbon atoms are there in octane?
8.
Yes. Tell me the formula of octane. Yeah.
It is C8H18.
C8H18.
18.
Very good. Tell me the formula for ethane.
It is C10.
Ethane. How many carbon atoms are there in ethane?
There's
Are you not writing in your notebook? I have told you in the last session. It means
yes,
density.
I'm writing.
So tell me how many carbon atoms are there in ethane?
1.
Then in methane, how many carbon atoms are there? Then it should be 0, right?
Yes.
No. In methane, there is
Oh.
1 carbon atom.
Yes.
And in ethane, there is 2 carbon atoms. And in propane, how many carbon atoms are there, Tino?
Propane, 3.
Yes. So remember these things, guys. Methane is carbon 1. Ethane is carbon 2. Propane is carbon 3. These are the very basic of organic chemistry. So if this is not clear, then you will not going to understand the entire chapter. Now I think it's clear how to write the general formula. Clear? Now see this question. And if there's
Teacher,
any doubt, yes. Yes,
what about C5?
pentane. C5 is pentane.
Yes.
Now you will tell me all the carbon atoms and their names. Yeah. Tell me C1.
Yeah. C1 is C1, which was protein.
C1, where carbon atom is 1.
Is
Yes, Tino.
It's methane, ma'am.
It's methane. If this is not clear or very difficult to understand, then please write it down in your notebook. T2 is
Ethane,
yes. T3 is
propane,
yes. C4
butane,
yes. We are talking about alkanes only. Alkane functional group. C5
pentane,
C6
hexane,
C7
heptane,
C8
octane,
C9
I don't
nonane.
I don't know how to pronounce it. Ma'am. Yes,
Nonane. C10 is
hectane.
yes. Please write down this all the carbon atoms and their name. Yeah. I'll ask at the end of the session from you. Write it down all the 10 carbon atoms with their root word.
Teacher, these words they are similar to mathematics.
Yes,
They are similar to mathematics.
mathematics.
They
Okay.
are similar. These words.
Yes, somewhat maths is coming. This is very difficult to solve, right? 2 into 2 plus 2, 2 into 3 plus 2. You are saying this mathematics, right?
No, it's the words. They are like they are
Yes,
similar.
yes,
They
yes,
mention
yes. For example, pentane. So when you have 5 sides in mathematics, it is called
yes,
pentagon, right? Yes,
yes.
absolutely correct.
I'm done now.
Now tell me carbon 2 is?
The carbon 2 is ethane.
Very good. Now let us solve this question. Question number 1. Structure of two organic compounds A and B are shown. This is my organic compound A, this is my organic compound B. Name and give the formula of two functional groups in compound A. So, two functional groups are present in compound A. One you can see this and one you can see this. So, what is the name of this compound? Tino will tell me. This compound. And Yaya will tell me this functional group.
Ma'am, you mean the whole thing or just the parts that you
Just the functional group.
circled?
Just the functional group.
It's a
What is,
it's a carboxylic acid.
yes, COOH is a carboxylic acid. Now, Yaya, you will tell me this functional.
That one, it's just alcohol.
Very good. So it is alcohol. Always remember alcohol is OH and carboxylic acid is COOH. Okay. Question number 2. Name the homologous series. Name the homologous series to which compound B belongs. So this compound, what is the functional group here in compound B? This one. This is known as what?
And with
Yes, alkene.
alkene.
Alkene. Okay, if there is single bond, it is alkane. If there is single bond, it is alkane. If there are double bond, it's alkene. If there are triple bonds, it's alkyne. So the functional group here is homologous series, it belongs to alkene. Question number 3, the members of a homologous series have the same general formula. So you have to tell me the general formula of alkane. So remember it is CnH2n plus 2. Okay, so write down all these questions with the solution. दानिया आया?
Ma'am,
Yes.
the first structure, right, where like the alcohol and the I don't know, and the
In the first,
carboxylic acid bonded. What is it called?
which one? In the first
A,
structure? Hmm?
yes. I mean the whole structure. What is it? Wait. Yes, what is it called?
What is the IUPAC name of this structure you are asking?
Yes.
Just let me raise this. Okay. Now you
Wait, ma'am, ma'am, is it an ester?
is there an what?
Is it an ester?
What is ester?
It's
Tell me
like
the I know what is ester. Tell me the formula for ester. What is, like, for example, carboxylic acid is COOH, alcohol is
yes.
OH. Then what is ester in this?
Ester is like when an
Well teacher.
an alcohol and a carboxylic acid if they react, they form an ester.
Yes. When your carboxylic acid RCOH plus R-OH reacts, then we have OH from this alcohol group, acid group, and H from this alcohol group. H2O gets eliminated from here, and we have RC double bond O, OR dash.
Oh, okay. So there's no water, so it's not an ester.
No, no. Can you see? Can you see this? Can you see any ester group in this? RCOOR.
No.
Then there is no ester group. Only there are two functional groups: alcohols and carboxylic acid. Yes, you are asking me the IUPAC name. So try it once. What is the IUPAC name of this compound? I'll correct you.
Sorry, ma'am.
You are asking me the name of this compound, right?
Yes.
What is it called? So try it yourself first. How many carbon atoms are there? Count the number of carbon atoms first. So
3.
the root word should be pro.
Yes.
Now from the we have acid group and alcohol group. Acid group is always given the priority while naming as compared to alcoholic group. So it should be propanoic acid. These are some IPAC rules. Okay, that acid group is given priority as compared to alcohol group. So it is propanoic acid. Then what should come in the prefix?
I'm not sure what you're asking, ma'am.
Yeah, I am telling you the name of this compound. Although this is not in your syllabus, because this OH group, when we add prefix, then it is known as hydroxo as a prefix. So it is 3-hydroxopropanoic acid. But these things are not in your syllabus. The only need is to identify the function and the simple name. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. So the 3 is for the carbon.
Yes, because at third carbon, the alcoholic group is attached. And this OH group is known as hydroxo group.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Now the next question is, state 2 other characteristics of a homologous series. So what are the characteristics of homologous series? If I ask you, so you should tell me they have same functional group, they have similar chemical properties, their physical properties change in a regular way, and each member differs from the next by a CH2 group. So this is the question which comes in 2 marks. Question number 2, the first member of alcohol homologous series is methanol. So what is the next member? So what you have to do is you have to add CH2 only. After adding CH2, so yeah, I am saying it is maths. Okay, so carbon 1 is carbon 2, hydrogen is 3 plus 1 plus 2, 5. And then OH. So this is the next member of the series, that is ethanol. So this OH is your functional group, and you have to add CH2 to this alkyl group, which becomes C2H5. Clear?
Oh, ma'am, so let's say if it's propanol, you say
Hmm.
C3H3, so it's 3 plus
Add
CH3,
CH2, it becomes C3H what?
I think it's supposed to be, wait.
Hey students! Interested in boosting your studies? Enroll now at Keddy Edtech. We offer online tuition for the Cambridge curriculum, grades 6 to IGCSE, AS, and A-level. Start learning with us today.
Wait. H6,
You have to add CH2 to this group. Add CH2. Is it 6 or 7?
7.
5 plus 2 is 7. Then this is the functional group, this remains as it is, because functional group remains the same in the homologous series. So this is the formula for
Oh,
propanol.
no, so you said for methanol, it's CH3OH.
Hmm.
Oh, okay. I thought you said CH2. It's okay, ma'am. Thank you.
If it's CH2, then carbon only have 3 bonds, but we have to make carbon 4 bonds.
Yes.
Write it down. Okay, take a screenshot of this slide. So this is the homologous series. It is a family of similar compounds. What is homologous series? If I ask you in test, then you have to write exactly this, that it is a family of similar compounds, similar chemical properties. This point should be there. Same functional group, this point should be there. They have the same general formula. And if I ask about physical properties, so they show a trend in physical properties. And this line is very important, that difference in CH2 group between one member and the next. Okay. Write it down. Please practice this organic chemistry, whatever we have studied till now. Okay. Before coming to the next class. If this part is clear, then only you will be able to understand the next part. So all these things should be clear. The definition of homologous series, all the functional groups, their root words. Okay, this should be clear. General formula. Petroleum, how it is defined in lab, how it is defined in the industries. So please revise all these notes.
Ma'am,
Yes.
what did Lara mean? I mean, what did Yaya mean when you said it's now math? Isn't math supposed to be at 8:30?
Pardon?
I What did Lara mean? I mean, Yaya mean? Isn't math supposed to be at 8:30?
What did Lara mean? What?
What did Yaya mean when he said it's now maths? Isn't maths supposed to start at 8:30?
You are telling me the time, 8:30.
No, ma'am.
So
I said, Yaya said that it's now maths, but maths starts at 8:30. Is it starting early?
actually I'm in India. At this point there is 11:30 p.m. Okay, so I don't know about what is the time of your maths class. And Yaya is saying about about not maths class. He's saying that this chemistry, it is looking somewhat like maths. For example, we discussed about pentane, hexane. So he's saying that in maths we also studied these type of words. Like in pentagon, pentagon have 5 sides, hexagon have 6 sides. So he's not talking about class, he's talking about the subject only, that this chemistry is similar to maths now. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Your class is, I don't know about your maths class, so please check it in your WhatsApp group. I think you will be having your maths class now, right?
Yes.
Yeah, but I don't know exactly the time because here it is 11:30 p.m.